Hi guys, welcome to the food segment on Ademoku's studio. I am Diana Becca, and today I'll be taking you through the step-by-step way of making puffpuff, also known as bofrot. Let's get it started. Before we start anything, we have to first of all wash our hands. Okay. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients for the puff. We have the flour, sugar, eggs, yeast, of course our oil, and something I'll call my secret ingredient, salt. So first we'll be adding and mixing our dry ingredient. So we have our whipped eggs here. We're gonna add it to I'll add some water, warm water. Yes. So to get the preferred consistency as mentioned earlier, we will add a little more of the warm water. So at this point, we are going to leave our dough to rise for at most 45 minutes. Our 45 minutes is up, and this is what we got. So keep turning it. Take our fried puff out of the oil. Alright guys, as you can see, our puff is ready, and I'll do you the honors to try it. It's good, yeah. So try it at home, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, comment below, like, share, support. See you on the next cooking segment. Bye. Yes. Okay guys, so growing up, my mom used to tell me that cooking is a steroid. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, our puff is ready and ready to be munched on. So yeah, I'll